Welcome to our video tutorial on how to upload an image within the design tool. Now, what you're going to want to do once you have your product size and color set the way you want is to click this button where it says Add or Upload Image. This will bring up the menu for all of the different options we have available for images. There's an emoji library, a clip art library, and a frame library, but we'll be using this first button where it says Upload. Click the Upload button and you'll see our terms of service for uploading an image into the design tool. This has all of the information about what you're agreeing to by using this service, as well as what file types the design tool can accept. Once you've read over the terms, click the button saying you accept and understand the conditions and hit OK. This will bring up the browser folder on your computer so you can locate the files you want to print. For this example, we'll be using this JPEG file. When you click on it, it shows the preview image in your folder so you can verify this is the file you really need. Once you've selected your file, click Open to add it to the design tool. With raster images, you get an editing tool option that allows you to remove your background color or make any other changes you deem necessary. This image has a white background we want to remove, so we'll click here and you see it's taken out. We're left with a gray checkered pattern indicating there's nothing there, and the checkered pattern will not print on your final piece. You can adjust the image edges and remove any fuzziness here using this slider bar. You can choose to remove any inner elements like here in the wheels, or if you want to go in and remove them individually, you can use the Remove Background Clusters option, like maybe we want to make this window alone transparent. Once you're done, click Submit to finalize loading your image into the design tool. We're using a JPEG image, and you'll notice we get this red image warning tab on the left sidebar. If you click it, you'll see some information about your file's resolution. In this instance, the file's resolution is lower than our required minimum 300 dpi needed to get a clean print. For additional information, you can click the Learn More button to read about our minimum print requirements, or click OK to exit the image warning. If you'd still like to use that image, you can resize it by clicking and dragging on the double-ended arrow icon on the lower right corner of your selected image until the image warning goes away. This won't fill your space up completely like you'll probably want it to, however, so keep that in mind when working with raster images. Now let's take a look at how uploading a PDF file works. The process is pretty much exactly the same. Click Add or Upload, agree to the terms, and this time we're going to choose the PDF. It's the same file, but notice it acts a little differently. The file pops straight into place without needing to remove any background pieces or getting an image warning, so you can make it as large or as small as you want. Since this PDF is a vector-based file, you can change the size all you want and it will still come out with a clean, crisp print. Once you get your design set up the way you want, maybe adjust your alignment, make it a bit bigger, rotate your image a little bit, click Add to Cart to be taken to your digital proof page. From there, you can approve your proof and then proceed to checkout.